Need new glasses? Have you tried ordering glasses online? If you haven't, you should know. It's amazing. And if you have, you already know. Fantastic selection, great prices, super convenient. The only trouble is finding that elusive little number called the pupillary distance. And that's one of the most important metrics for great fitting glasses. The pupillary distance is the distance between your pupils. Sounds simple enough, but it's such a pain to get your hands on. Doctor, please give me my PD.
I can just do this by myself. How hard can it be?
And you need it to be accurate. Why? Well, inaccurate PD means blurry, terrible glasses with headaches to follow. Now, there's an easy solution for you. The IQ PD check. It's really fast and super accurate. Just put the frames on, take a picture, and there, that's my PD. So easy, babies can do it. And Teddy, your PD is 44.5 millimeters. The IQ PD check is the must-have eyeglass accessory for ordering glasses online. Did I mention? You can also share the PD check with your family and friends. Get the PD check now.
Hi, my name is Alain, and this is Sterling, and we're here to talk to you about the doggy bathroom. I adopted Sterling when he was 11 weeks old, in the middle of a cold winter. Lucky for us, he was already trained to use his little pee pads that we laid out for him on the floor. And all that was going great up until he developed into a teenager and started to lift his leg. So then summer came along, and I was finally able to bring Sterling out more often, but as any dog owner would know, that can be quite time consuming. I also bring Sterling to work with me every day, so bringing him outside several times a day isn't always an easy option. So like anyone else with a problem, the first thing I did was search online. I was looking for any kind of vertical pee pad solution, and I just wanted to know, what do people with male dogs who lift their legs do indoors? I found a lot of indoor potty solutions, but they were all horizontal. I couldn't find anything that offered a vertical solution for a male. So I figured, I've been an interior designer for the last 10 years. If I can't find something, I'll make it myself. So I went out, bought some materials, experimented with different things, and came up with the first mock-up of the doggy bathroom. I lined the interior with pee pads, I put it down in front of Sterling. He walked right in, lifted his leg, and the rest is history. What's been great about the doggy bathroom for us is that Sterling has several doggy bathrooms. He has one at home, at work, at the cottage, and at his nanny's house. So whenever we bring Sterling anywhere, he recognizes his doggy bathroom and he knows where to go. So it makes a much more independent dog and makes pet ownership for us a lot easier. So now Sterling is his own little man. He can use his bathroom whenever he naturally needs to. No more 5 a.m. walks, no more bad weather walks, and no more going up and down the elevator in our condo building. And most of all, I can bring Sterling with me every day to work because of the doggy bathroom. The doggy bathroom was designed with the environment in mind. For that reason, we designed our own custom pee pads that are biodegradable, and the doggy bathroom itself can be recycled. Sterling just turned 3, and we've been working on this project for the last 2 years, and we feel we've perfected the product as much as we can, and it's time to bring it to market. So now we need your help to help us pay for the molds so we can get this product to everybody around the world who can benefit from pet ownership, not just Sterling and I. How do we feel about puppy waste management as a career? High five, buddy.
Torch City Smart Home Care. Torch City wants to redefine the smart family and create excellence. Smart Home Care provide a perfect life experience to give automatic application and also has a learning ability. When you walk into the house, the lights are turned on automatically. The air conditioner is set up a suitable temperature, and the TV is also based on your habit. At the same time, your favorite news station is played. The music player plays the music of your favorite style according to your usual preference. The important thing is that all is done automatically, and you don't need to operate it by any mobile phone or other devices. It's like to have a housekeeper who is around you. Besides, you can control every light, electric curtain, and home appliance by voice, which can make smart home more completely. Characterized by voice control, all home appliances and lighting fixtures are wirelessly controlled with easy-to-install smart home care, either traditional or smart home appliances and lighting fixtures. The main function of smart home care includes time display, clock, microwave sensing LED lamps, and microwave activated home appliances, 360 degrees infrared control, and RF wireless control. Body temperature detection.
Hello, Torch. Check fever.
Temperature and humidity detection. PM 2.5 air quality detection. LED display. Blue, good quality. Orange, alert. Red, dangerous. Built-in air quality indicators. Gas detection. Bluetooth speakers for music playback or sending alerts. 4. MEMS microphones to pick up sound at 360 degrees. Window sensor.
Hello, Torch. Curtain open.
Voice control to control electric curtains.
Hello, Torch. Curtain closed.
There are different light mode of smart home care, which includes warm light, cold light,
Cool light.
night light, and dimmer. Meanwhile, it's also a desk or table lamp. Smart Home Care supports Wi-Fi connection for remote control. With worldwide invention patents, the Smart Home Care provides no professional installation. Even ordinary consumers can find it easy to install. Our new inventions and technologies can always make a step closer to real life and connect tradition with modernity. The achievements of Torch City are focused on smart home care,
Alexa, tell my torch to turn off the light.
which brings convenient smart life with technology.
The hardest part of being fit and reaching your fitness goals is being consistent. If you get a strap rack, you can get to work on your time and reach your goals. My name is Jason, and my name is Anthony. We are both mechanical engineers who graduated from LMU. Idea I got was basically seeing all the issues with the current pull-up bar that we were using. There are obvious defects with that pull-up bar. It was damaging our door frame. It was way too easy to fall off if you were doing pull-ups. Very limited on features. I remember just doing some pull-ups and I was like, what if we actually had a full VKR on our doorway? How cool would that be? And so I decided to kind of draft up this thing that I thought would be able to be that. Something I've never seen before, basically, that wasn't on the market. You know, like, we're engineers, like, we can actually make this. We were only going to make one for ourselves. That's how it started. Once we see that we can put all these features on the door, like, other people might like this. And the very first prototype failed instantly. It just snapped, like, straight up snap, crackle, pop. It just crumbled under his weight. Our product has the ability to fold up. And I actually got that idea from one of those ironing boards that you kind of have in the hotel, and you could just like fold it down, iron your shirt, and fold it back up. Do your workout, whatever you want to do, fold it up, and you can walk right under it. The support towers that we call them that rest against the door frame that are padded in the back, they really do a good job distributing your whole weight along that door frame so you're not impacting the door frame at one point. Protecting the frame is probably our #1 priority, and then after that, from the fail videos that we've seen, like the safety part, like we wanted to make sure it didn't come off. We had a lot of our friends test it out and they were just loving this thing. But just to see how easy they took to it, how it was so natural for them. They just hopped on and they were ready to use it. I didn't have to explain anything. Safety was a very important part for us, so one thing we wanted to do was make sure that our product can never fall off your door. Our product stayed very light. It folds up, it takes up 0 floor space. You can move it easily, so it's very convenient for the user. Once you bring the straps with you and you have them outside, you can loop them around any bar that you want and use it as a strap training system there. You can do your rows there, you can do your push-ups, you can do groundwork with your legs in them. So what we'll be using the campaign funds for is for tooling, and the other reason why we really need these campaign funds is to be able to purchase in bulk. We are self-funded. We have no loans, we have no investor, it's just me and my brother. So if you really want to root for the underdog, like there is no better grassroots story than what we're doing. Like we built this in Burbank out of our 2-bedroom apartment. So we truly want to thank you guys for backing our project, showing your interest. It's been a long journey for us, a very passionate one, and we're very excited to share this with the rest of the world. We can't thank you enough for your support. We can't wait to get this product to you guys. We know you're gonna love it. Everybody that's tested it love it. We just can't wait to put it in your guys' houses. And we can't wait to see you guys using it. When you guys do get it, we'd love to see your videos, your photos of you using it. We'd love to post it on our Instagram. We'd love to show people using it the way that we did and loving it the same way that we do. So please just hit us up and let us know if you're enjoying your strap rack as much as we do.